Right here, I've got the Badiano 2 set of silicone spoons here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending these out to me to try out. So I've got the red here. There's also a black, gray, blue, and white. So you can pick the color that you like. You get a 2 set here. So one is shorter than the other. This is about 12 inches, just under 12. This is about 13.5 inches. So they have this large BPA-free, food-safe silicone scoop right here. So you can use this for mixing, stirring, frying, all types of different things. So it's a very versatile spoon. It is food safe up to 446 degrees, so you don't need to worry about that. And then they are nice and soft, yet still firm, so they won't scratch up your pots or pans. And then they have the nice wooden handle there. They have the hole there, so you can hook it up somewhere. They do come with 2 metal hooks, so you can hook it up. And they do have this little notch here, so you can set it down, and then the spoon itself won't touch your countertop and get it dirty, so that is super nice. A little built-in spoon rest right there, so that is super cool. So yeah, so you can see this is a very versatile spoon. You can use it for all different types of things while you're cooking. Super easy to clean and look great. Won't harm your pots and pans. So if you're looking for a really nice set of spoons for cooking, be sure to check these ones out.